Meaning of dinky.
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 Dinky. Dinky is an adjective that can be used to describe something as small, cute, and often of inferior quality. It is usually used in reference to toys, cars, or other similar objects that are miniature in size. The term is often used affectionately, portraying something as endearing or charming due to its diminutive size. However, it can also express a negative connotation, implying something that is insignificant or unimportant. Overall, dinky is a versatile term that can convey different meanings depending on the context in which it is used.